Oh, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today I'm going to make me some mashed potatoes here in this new Instant Pot Duo Crisp plus air fryer here. To me, I don't know about the rest of y'all, but this is the smartest thing that Instant Pot has ever done right here. They were falling behind and they come up with this, and this works really well. Of course, I'm not going to use this today, so no use in talking about it. But you just lift it off when you're not going to use it. There's this little carbon fiber, I guess is what it is, platform here that sets on. That way when it's hot you can set it on that and it doesn't hurt your counter or anything. So, but anyway, we'll leave that sitting there and now we'll get on with our potatoes. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is peel these taters here. That's always fun and exciting. Okay, now we've got these all peeled here, and the next thing we'll do is put them in this bowl here and get ready to take them over to the sink. After I get these, I'll start some orange peels. After I get these potato peels up. And then we'll wash them off real good. I'll lay them right back up here on this paper towel and get them a little bit drier than they are now, not much, doesn't matter. We'll get wet again in a minute anyhow. Rinse my bowl out. And we'll cut them up into pieces here. So when you get ready to cut these up, you don't need to cut them up in too small chunks, you know, just because we're going to mash them in a minute. So we don't want them to turn to mush while they're cooking in the Instant Pot. You don't want them so big, you know. Those look pretty good right there. That looks pretty nice. Okay, fix them, see down in there. Alright, now the next thing we'll do is take them over here and put them down in this Instant Pot. And just pour them down in the pot here. Alright, now we'll take, I've got a little over a cup of water here, almost a cup and a half. I'm just going to pour it right down in here with them. Now, you can do this with a lot more potatoes than what I'm using here, but if you do, you know, just add a couple of minutes to your time. You know, because these are only going to be cooked on high for 10 minutes. I'll put the lid on. I have to line up my arrows here. There it goes. Turn it clockwise till it locks. And somebody told me how to get this residue off of here. And to tell you the truth, I haven't had time to get it off until now, because I hadn't thought about it until now. So now we'll have to figure out how to do it all over again. But anyway, okay, now one thing I want to show you all about this new lid for Instant Pot. You don't turn this back here anymore to seal and vent. This right here, when you turn it and when you put the top on, it automatically pops up, and that goes to sealing. Okay, and so when you get ready to take the pressure off, you just push it down. So I'll show you how you do that when we finish with it. So then you come over here to pressure cook, and there it goes. And we run the we're going to leave the temperature on high and run the time up to 10 minutes. Okay, and then you go hit your start button down here. And now if you don't do all this pretty quick, it's going to cancel everything out and you have to start all over again. Because it doesn't give you much time to just stand there and figure out all this stuff. You have to know about what you want to do when you put it in there. Because So when you put the lid on, come over here and you hit pressure cook, and then you do your temperature whether you want high or lower than high, and then you come over here and do the time. Like I said, I wanted mine for 10 minutes. And now it takes a little while for it to build up the pressure, and I'll tell you how long it's going to take when it does it, and then it'll start counting down to 10 minutes. So when it does that, we'll be back. And while y'all sitting there waiting, how about join our channel and give us a thumbs up? We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people that watches our video. And somebody said, you don't never say ring the bell. Well, ring the bell, whatever that might mean. So, anyway. Okay, now the pin just came up in the back to seal it. And so it's been, let me see how long it's been. It's been 8 minutes since I hit the start button on this thing. So that's pretty good. 8 minutes. So now we'll see how much longer it takes it to start counting down though. Okay, that didn't take long at all. That only took about 30 seconds after the pin come up till it started counting down. So about 8.5 minutes, and now you're cooking. And so we'll be back when it gets down lower. Okay, now we're down to what's bound to be under a minute now, because it's been a few seconds since I saw it pop up 1 minute. And there it goes, it's done. And so now I'll show you how this new valve works over here on this Instant Pot. Now see, I know a lot of you people don't like flipping that little valve and stuff. Well, you don't even have to do that anymore. All you have to do is come right here on this button here, just push it straight down. And see, the steam comes out back here still. And so you don't have any trouble about getting steam on you like that. And so I can tell right now this is not going to take a real long time to do that. So we'll see in a minute. Okay, now it's been less than a minute, or about I'll say a minute, and the pin has dropped down below here. Now we're going to take this top off, and just like with all pressure cookers and hot stuff that's got steam in it and stuff, make sure you turn that lid away from you and hold it upside down, because if you don't hold it upside down, all that water that's inside this lid's going to go in your floor. Pick it up like that, turn it upside down away from you, and I know you can't see that water in there, but believe me, yeah, you see some of it sloshing around. So we'll just set it over here in the sink for the time being. Now, this is the part here that I always let Kay do, because I always burn myself. But anyway, we'll take these few potatoes here, we'll dump them down this colander, like that. Let them drain good. Now I've got just half a stick of Land O'Lakes butter here. It's either a half a stick or 4 teaspoons or a quarter of a cup. Either way you want to say it, that's what's in there. So, put right down the bottom of that bowl. Because I want all those hot potatoes to land on top of it so it'll melt, start melting them down some, you know. Now I'm going to take this colander of potatoes here, right back in there on top of it. Oh yeah, now we're looking good. Now I want to take a little bit of this Mrs. Dash here. It depends on how much of this stuff you like, or if you like it at all. But this is good stuff here. This Mrs. Dash. Okay, and I'm going to take some good old sea salt. Not too much, just enough. Take some good old black pepper. And last but not least, I'm going to take me some Daisy brand sour cream here and put down in there. Okay. Now I'm going to start to mix it up just a little. I'm going to take my potato masher and mix it up just a little bit before I start with that mixer. I don't guess this is exactly a potato masher, but it does a good job on about anything you want to crunch up. Look at that. Okay, now I've got some of this heavy whipping cream here. I'll just pour a little bit down in here. Now I'm going to take this mixer here, put that in here and whip them up real good. I can't wait. I can't wait for this. Just a little more salt. Just a little more black pepper. Let's mix it just a little bit more. Now, let's see what we got. I don't think you'll ever go anywhere. I know you hear me say it a lot. I just love my cooking, I guess. But I don't think you'll ever go anywhere and find any more mashed potatoes that you like better than these. This is just, I'm going to find me a piece of meat of some kind. I don't care what kind it is. I'm going to sit down and see how many of these potatoes I can eat with. These are delicious. Getting that above. Okay. Honestly, I know y'all get tired of hearing me say that, but hey, but it's the truth, it's the truth, you know. So, anyway, thanks for watching our little video. I sure did enjoy making it for you, and I'm sure going to enjoy eating these potatoes right here. So until next time, I hope you give us a thumbs up and join our channel if you can. And check out our links down below. You might see something down there you like. So till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. And goodbye.